Hi, welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I'm Trish if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. I can't really sing right now. It's December 2023. I'm sure you can tell from my voice that I have not been 100%. That's no big deal. I'm trying to get back on top of it. I don't know what else to tell you. We had a family Christmas party on the 3rd, and the baby was sick. And but it seemed like just a sniffle, and like he got all of us sick, basically, a bunch of us. The good thing about recording is that if I cough or whatever, I can cut that out. And I just did. I got the email, I don't know, a couple hours, 2 hours ago maybe, that my Paradise Fibers package for December was here. And you know, I open it up here. It just got here today. It took a couple days priority. It was mailed on the 12th. I don't even know what the date is today, so. But it is Saturday. Ooh. Well, this is fun. Here they are. You might wonder why I have two if you're new here. Paradise sends me one to open up and share with all of you on a video, and then I buy one and I give it away to somebody who comments on the videos from the previous month. So like at the end of this video, I'll be giving away the extra November package that I ordered. This is it. I will link the unboxing below in case you want to know what's in here. If you want to win one of these, all you have to do is leave a comment on a video starting with this one, going all the way through until the next package shows up here for me to open, and that's how you enter. So we're gonna pick a winner at the end. It'll be great. I have no clue what's in here. I haven't seen anything. I do my best to stay away from spoilers. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. But as you can see, it's like a celestial. You got the sun, the moon, the planets. I see Earth. You pretty much got it all. So let's point you down, get one of these open. I have barely spun anything. Maybe I haven't spun anything all month. I've basically not touched a wheel all month because, as a lot of you know if you've been around, like in the middle of November I took off to be with my mom while she had a hip replacement, and like it's just been, ever since then I have just been going until after that party, and then I got sick, so I haven't done anything. It'd be awesome if I could start spinning this right away, but we'll see what happens. All right, let's point you down and get one of these suckers cut open. I need a little cheer. Just so you guys know, I am gonna knit a pair of socks with these pretty soon, knee socks. And isn't this color combination just unbelievable? I can't wait. I'm finishing my Rudolph socks today, I think. Okay. I would love in the comments, since 2023 is coming to a close, if you would maybe post something that you have accomplished this year that you're super proud of. And maybe it's just that like you made it. That is something to be super proud of. So hey, post it in the comments. Tell me what you're proud of this year. I don't even know. I can't even really think about what I've done this year. I feel like, I guess getting the dye studio going, up and running, has been a pretty great thing. So I'm gonna go with the dye studio for this year. I'm still trying to figure out my life. Okay, so, okay, this is what's in here. Oh, the theme is Aurora Borealis. I love it. That's something that I've weirdly been inspired by with fiber a bunch of times, and I've never quite gotten the effects that I really want. So interesting. Okay, this is what's in it, and then we will talk about the other card afterwards. Okay, let's see. All right, so the first thing on the card is 4 ounces of Purple Emperor Multi Merino. This has to be it because it's so big. Ooh, it doesn't look like the picture, but you're seeing a little bit closer to what it looks like. It is very dark purple, a couple different shades, and it looks like that might be black, but it's hard to tell because sometimes they look black against other colors and they're actually not. Like it might be dark brown. I'm not sure, but it's awesome. And you know I love purple. Love it. All right. Oh, we got 2 colors of Tussa Silk. This one's Cyclamen. I don't know if you guys know what those flowers look like, but it matches my shirt pretty well. Really pretty. Oh my gosh, I love this color. It's just like a really pretty, I would say slightly bluer, like towards the bluer end of the pinks, or maybe it's a true pink, I don't know, but to me it looks a little bit more of the blue. Gorgeous. I love that. And this is 1/2 ounce. This one is the Luna Moth Multi Merino, and we got 2 ounces of this, so we got 7 ounces of fiber this month. That's a lot. Oh, that's really pretty. It is like mostly greens, a little bit of blue. It should be quite interesting to see. Gosh, that is so pretty. Look at it. And then there's one more little bag in here. This one is a 1/2 ounce of chartreuse Tussa Silk. This is one of John's favorite colors, and it is gorgeous. It's not doing it justice in the camera. Really, it's got a slightly gold kind of sheen coming through that I don't think is gonna show on the camera, but it is beautiful. That is a ton of fiber, and check out all the colors together. Let me see if I can get these in focus here. Check these all out together. I love it. I love the idea of this being the background and these being just like little, what I think of as like glazing of the light. So we're gonna do something cool with this, and maybe I will spin this right away because I think I can do something really cool with this. The notions in this bag. Oh, my little bag came open. Hang on, I think I felt something loose. Making sure. Okay, just making sure because the little bag was open. You got a Aurora Borealis sticker. That's hard to say, but look, that's really pretty. It's just Eunice enjoying the heavens. Oh, that's nicer, less glare. Okay, and a Stash peppermint tea. You guys know, I've talked about this before, that I don't really drink tea, but I have drunk so much tea while I was sick, and I feel a little bit like the Paradise Pack just kind of saved me. So I will literally be drinking this immediately after I'm done. And then a Fix-It hook set. So if you guys don't have these, I have one of these in my my Notions bag, although it's a little bit different because the one that I have is like a knitting needle on one end and a crochet hook on the other, but these are so handy to have in your bag. If you drop a stitch or whatever, you can just like, you know, chain it up on with one of these. It's awesome. I love these. I'm sure there's other uses, but that's pretty much what I end up using mine for a lot of the time. I actually wish there was even a smaller one for picking up gusset stitches because I like to do that too. And then last is a glow in the dark. That is too fun. Jumbo stitch marker. So check out my stitch marker. Let's put it on the back of my hand, like I usually do. That's really cool. Okay, now we're gonna look at these. I've been remembering, and I'm so proud of myself when I remember. The suggested project is the Alaska hat by Camille Descoteau. So she says, for the blending, I wanted the bottom of the night sky to be darker. So I saved some of the purple and used it in the first 2 row legs. Okay, so this is gonna be on the other side. And that she blended these colors to make the two yarns that are in the Alaska hat. I know many of you have seen it. It's very, very popular. And then there are some pictures of the process on the back of the card. It says, another bonus if you are a Fiber Club member is you will get 15% off a blending board if you want one this month, and gives us a code. And as always, Fiber Club members get 10% off fiber. That's something that comes with the package every month. So honestly, I think I will be using these together. I love this idea. And as I said, I have unsuccessfully tried to do like an Aurora Borealis theme a few times. I don't know if I've ever filmed any of them. I did a galaxy one that I filmed years ago, like 5 years ago. But anyway, so I am going to use these together, and I will either use the drum carder or the blending board. And like if you use a drum carder, you can use a blending board for pretty much most of the same blending things. Thank you, Paradise. I'm excited to jump into these actually. And I know last month I was super excited to jump into them, and I have not even had a chance to touch them, but this time I will actually get into them. I promise. So let's go pick a winner for the November package. This package was awesome. Let's go pick a winner for the November package. I'm sure there are not many videos this month because I've been a wreck. Okay, let's see. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. That's so sad. 5. No, not even. There are only 4 videos, so your odds are so good this time. Random number generator. Okay, so it's video number 3, which would be this one actually. Okay, so let's grab a link. Okay. We add the replies. No, I don't care about that. Okay, here we go. Cheap Engineer Crafts, you win. All you have to do is send your snail mail address to FiberLoveDiary@gmail.com and I will get it out for you. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thanks for sticking with me through this last month. It has been pretty rough actually. And I will see you very soon. Thanks. I love you. Bye.